In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a slider in Wix Studio. If you're looking to enhance your Wix website with dynamic and engaging elements, adding a slider is a fantastic option. It's a great way to showcase images, videos, or any other content in a visually appealing format. Let's dive right in. First things first, you'll need to log in to your Wix account. Once you've successfully logged in, you'll find yourself at the main interface. If you manage multiple websites, don't worry. Simply select the specific website you want to edit. This will take you directly to your dashboard where you have complete control and access over your site's design elements and settings. Now that you're in the dashboard, the next step is to click on Design Site. This will open up the website editor, which is where all the magic happens. In the editor, slide your gaze over to the top left corner of your screen. There you'll find the plus button. This is your gateway to adding new elements onto your site, so go ahead and give that plus button a click. With that click, you'll be presented with a menu of various elements you can add. What you're looking for is the interactive section. Once you click on that, you'll see an option for slideshow. Here is where you need to make your first choice. Do you want a full-width slideshow, which spans the entire width of your page, or a box slideshow, which you can resize and move around? For this tutorial, let's explore using box slideshows. This choice provides you with flexibility in terms of placement and size customization. After selecting the box slideshow, you can start customizing it to suit your needs. You have a variety of options at your fingertips. You can change the arrangement of the slides to match your narrative or visual storytelling. For appearance, consider changing the background. You can opt for a simple color, or you can add an image or a video to make it more vibrant and attention-grabbing. An important feature you might want to enable is Autoplay. This function automatically cycles through your slides, making it seamless for your viewers to watch. You can even set how long each slide stays visible by adjusting the seconds for each slide. Additionally, don't forget to have fun with transitions and effects. These little touches can add an extra layer of professionalism and appeal to your slideshow, making it stand out. And there you have it. That's how you add a slider with Autoplay on Wix. Go ahead and add that final spark to your site. If you found this tutorial helpful, feel free to like the video, leave a comment, and subscribe for more tips and tricks on making the most of your digital presence. Thanks for watching, and happy website building.